In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note to reconcile a supplier refund in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a supplier credit so your bills and bank reconciliations stay tidy and accurate. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to Purchases. This is where all your supplier activity lives. Open Bills to view and manage what you owe. Even though we're dealing with a refund, the correct place to create a supplier credit is right here, alongside your bills, so it can be matched to the original purchase. From the Bills screen, open the New Document options and choose New Credit Note. Think of a credit note as a negative bill. It reduces what you owe a supplier or prepares you to match a cash refund coming back to your bank. In the From field, select the supplier who issued the credit. Make sure this is the same supplier tied to the original bill. In the Reference box, enter a clear identifier such as the supplier's credit note number or refund memo. This makes audits and future lookups much easier. Next, add the line Details. Select the relevant item that matches what you originally purchased. If you track inventory or use items for consistent descriptions and pricing, this keeps everything aligned. Adjust the quantity to reflect what's being credited. For example, if one unit was returned, set the quantity accordingly. Keep an eye on the unit price and the tax rate. They should mirror the original bill so that your totals and tax reports remain accurate. If the refund only covers part of an item or a price difference, edit the values to match the supplier's document precisely. Review the totals and, when everything looks right, approve the credit note. Approving locks it in so you can apply it where needed. After approval, you'll be prompted to allocate the credit. Enter the amount to credit, which can be either the full credit or a partial amount if you're spreading it across multiple bills. Choose the bill you want to reduce and allocate the credit. This immediately lowers your outstanding balance with that supplier and keeps your accounts payable accurate. If you're expecting a cash refund to your bank, this approved credit is what enables a clean reconciliation later, because Xero can recognize the refund against the supplier's credit balance. Save your changes and you're done. You've created, approved, and allocated a supplier credit note in Xero, setting yourself up for a smooth refund reconciliation